I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create Integration. Search and select a Trigger CoBlocks form. Now, click on the Fetch button, then navigate to the CoBlocks form and fill it out to retrieve the data. After fetching the form, you need a unique key to define it. However, the CoBlock form doesn't provide the unique key. That's why I added a hidden field and gave its value as a unique key. Now fill out the form. Return to the integrations site to view the successfully fetched data. Now check all the fields under the object. Then choose the hidden field as a unique key. Set action. Search and select the action Mailster. Connect to Mailster. Mailster connected successfully. Next, map the respective fields. Under the Actions, click on the Status checkbox and choose a subscriber status. Click on the Lists checkbox and choose a list. Click on the Tags checkbox and choose Tags. Here are the advanced features in conditional logics. You can use it for your own requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Let's submit a form. Submit it. Then go to the Mailster dashboard and click on the subscribers. Here you can see that the data has been come successfully in the Mailster subscribers. Thanks for watching.